We'll guide you through how to order Printify samples to ensure your products meet your expectations before hitting the market. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your store dashboard. From there, go to the product section where all your designs are listed. Now choose the product you want to order a sample of by clicking on it. You'll see an option that says create order. Click on this to proceed, then click sample. You'll be taken to a page where you can review your product details. Make sure everything looks good. Check your design placement colors and size options to ensure they're exactly what you want. Once you're satisfied, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find a button that says add to cart. Click this to move the sample to your cart. After adding, you can proceed to checkout. In the checkout section, you need to enter your shipping information. Make sure this is correct to avoid any delivery issues. Next, choose your preferred shipping method. Each option will have different delivery times and costs, so select the one that best fits your needs. Finally, you'll see the payment section. Enter your payment details and review your order one last time to make sure everything is correct. Once you're ready, hit the place order button to confirm your sample order. Printify will send you a confirmation email with all the details, so keep an eye on your inbox. Ordering samples is a great way to check the quality of your products before offering them to your customers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.